दोस्तों सभी देशवासियों को मेडिकोस लाइफलाइन इस यूट्यूब चैनल के जो एडिटर है डॉक्टर रुबल कौर और जो क्रिएटर है डॉक्टर सलमान नसीर, इनकी जानिब से ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। दोस्तों इस त्यौहार के मौके पर चेस्ट फिजिशियन के जानिब से अस्थमेटिक या फिर सीओपीडी पेशेंट के लिए खास टिप्स हैं, जिसको आप ज़रूर सुने और उसको फॉलो करें ताकि आप हेल्दी वेल्दी इस त्यौहार को सेलिब्रेट कर सकें।
Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Hafiz Deshmukh. This festival season is upon us and we are gearing up to celebrate Diwali, Christmas and Eid in coming months. Happy festival with colors and fireworks hold a special place in our heart, but they can also turn harmful due to heavy smoke, pollution and higher level of particulate matter of more than 10 micrometer, that is PM10, which is dangerous for people with lung diseases such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, which is also known as COPD. The winter season is also approaching, which can be a nightmare for COPD patients. This World COPD Day, let's talk about COPD. It's a progressive lung disease causing restrictive airflow and breathing problem. As COPD progresses, you might experience wheezing, breathlessness, cough. Several triggers worsen COPD, causing an episode of flare-up or exacerbation. Extreme temperature with hot, cold and dry air and humidity can trigger flare-ups, causing severe breathlessness. As the season changes, people celebrate many festivals that can also trigger a COPD flare-up due to exposure to toxic pollutants. While enjoying the season and festival, it is important to stay away from triggers. Don't step out in extreme weather. In festive seasons, avoid places with excessive smoke. While going outside, cover your face properly. Now, inhalation therapy plays an important role in COPD patient. In elderly patients who have other diseases or weak muscles or poor high-end coordination, who cannot coordinate with the inhaled devices, handheld inhaled devices may be difficult to use, and thus nebulizer can be an valuable treatment option. Compared to handheld inhalers, nebulizers are easy to use as they require less training and are useful for home care and are preferred as maintenance therapy in patients who have had an exacerbation. In a survey performed in India's COPD patients, 72% of previous patients who were using inhalers were better on long-term nebulizer therapy, and 65% patients had an immediate relief of that of an inhaler. Nebulizer offers a fast and effective relief symptoms, increase compliance and improves your quality of life. So while at home, when you realize that COPD flare-up is imminent, triggered by weather or pollutants, do not delay, take precaution and consult your doctor immediately. The World COPD Day recognizes that breathing is life, so act earlier. Thank you.